Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandeep Raturi and in this video I will be discussing set functions in DAX, union, intersect and except. These are very important DAX functions, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start with the union DAX function. First, I will explain its definition and syntax and then I will show you a practical example. See the definition. The union function is a DAX function in Power BI that is used to combine rows from two or more tables. It falls under the table manipulation DAX function category. Points to be remembered here. The table should be same number of columns. Columns are combined by position in their respective tables. The column names in the return table will match the column names in the first table and it returns the all table rows including duplicate rows. See the syntax union and then pass the first table name, after the second table name, and in that way you can pass the multiple tables name. Now I will show you the practical. As you can see here, we have two tables, table 1 and table 2, and in both tables number of columns and column positions are same. Now we will combine both tables data into single table. So to combine their data, go to the modeling tab and select this option, write a DAX expression to create a new table, and after that you can write this DAX code to combine the both tables data. So here union table is the table name equal to union DAX function, and then you can pass the first table name and second table name. After that click on commit and finally add the new table to a table visual and you will see that the data from both tables has been combined. I hope you now understand how to combine data from two or more tables into one table using the union function in DAX. Next DAX function we have intersect. See the definition. Intersect DAX function compares two tables and returns common rows. The output of intersect function is a table with the common rows. It falls under the table manipulation DAX functions category. Points to be remembered here: a table that contains all the rows in table expression 1 that are also in table expression 2. The two tables must have the same number of columns. Columns are compared based on positioning. The function is not supported for use in direct query mode. Now see the syntax: intersect table expression 1 and then table expression 2. Now I will show you the practical part. We have two product data sets as you can see here. Next we will create a new table using a DAX function. To do this, go to the modeling tab and select this option, write a DAX expression to create a new table, and after that you can write this DAX code. Here intersect DAX is the table name equal to intersect and then pass the first table name product 1 and then second table name product 2. After that click on commit and once the table is created, add its column to a table visual. Here you can see that the intersect DAX function compares the two tables and returns the common records. Here you can see it returns ID 1, 2 and 5 which exist in both tables. Next we have except DAX function. See the definition. Except DAX function is used to return the rows of one table which do not present in another table. It falls under the table manipulation DAX functions category. Points to be remembered: the two tables must have the same number of columns. Columns are compared based on positioning. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode. See the syntax: except table expression 1 and table expression 2. Now let's move to the practical part. We will use the same data sets product 1 and product 2. Now we will create a new table to using a DAX expression. So for that, go to the modeling tab and select this option, write a DAX expression to create a new table. And after that, you can write this DAX code. Here except DAX is the table name, equal to except, pass the first table name product 1 and then second table name product 2, and after that click on commit. And next, add the columns from this table into a table visual, and you will see it returns the rows from one table that are not present in another table. So for an example, from product 1 table, ID 3 and 4 not present in product 2 table. So that's the reason it returns 3 and 4 from the product 1 table. I hope you now have more clarity on what set functions are in DAX. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.